Now let's get this baby off the ground, shall we? Bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum. Howdy, howdy, howdy. This is Professor Victor Singing Eagle here at Sisseton, Wahpeton College. I hope this time the recording is recording properly. I'm going to try to run this all the way through, at least for the first 6 minutes or so, see if we can get this thing actually to work, shall we? First of all, let's get rid of that and go to English, Composition 1, Sisseton, Wahpeton College. Welcome. Now, rather than me stand up here and play around with this too much, I'm just going to scroll down. Oh, almost. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I can't do it as well as I should. But I just wanted to show you something. Yeah, you saw this already. I talked about this. This is our balanced man. Isn't that cool? I had AI do that. Sometimes AI can be fun. And I put some more links to our lesson plans. Talked about ad baculum the last time we spoke. And even put some posts about my powwow experience as an undergrad. So you can see all that here. Today, we are going to discuss what's happening as we approach the final exams. Are you ready? Let's get started, shall we? Because I'm already yakking away too much. Now, first of all, last time we talked, you remember I told you that the second to the last assignment has been canceled because we don't have enough time. Can you hear me? I hope so. Next. This is the last week of our daily journal entries. So, starting Friday, no more journals. So, go all the way up till this coming Friday. By the way, today is the solar eclipse day. Happy solar eclipse day, everybody. So, gather up all your daily journal entries on Friday and submit them to me either physically, hard copy, or I will create as an alternative an upload site on e-learning for you. Let's see, Pop Quiz D, our very last pop quiz is coming soon, so watch out, it's coming. Now, today I'm going to bother you with critical thinking / informal logic some more. Today's is called false dilemma. Here's how it works. Fact, either X or Y is true. Therefore, either X or Y is false. Those of you who know anything about Western civilization, we know that people in Canada, US, Europe, they like to think binary. It's either this way or it's that way. I call it either-or-ism. However, we got a problem. It's oftentimes a false dilemma. What do I mean? Well, sometimes, yes, it could be true. I put on here, sometimes it is valid. Either Jimmy the cat is alive or he is dead. There can be no other way. Either I'm pregnant or I'm not. Now, those are some nice exceptions. However, sometimes this either-orism thinking is not valid, as in the following examples. Either we cut social programs or we cut funding for schools. You cannot have it both ways. How about this one? If you raise the minimum wage, you'll just have to raise the prices of goods and services, and then everybody will be right back where we started. Heard that before? By the way, when I was at the ripe old age of 16 years old, guess how much the minimum wage was? $3.10 an hour. I don't know how I survived that. Never mind. The last example. Plastic is necessary for human civilization. Either we keep our plastic materials or we go back to the Stone Age, living in caves and hunting with sticks. Ooga booga. Now, as you can see, this is a false dilemma. It says either it's this way or it's that way. There is no in between. So we're going to stop it right there.
and I'm going to bother you with thesis statement workshop in our next subsequent video, that is. Keep in mind that I have been reading many theories on how to write proper, good thesis statements, and I've been doing this for more than 40 years. I'm getting old, I told you. And having been doing this for more than 40 years and researching how to write a good thesis statement and good papers, you guys know that I'm not the most handsome man in the world and can't really play basketball, can't run fast anymore, but there's one thing I can still do very well. That is write. I can write and I can communicate. So we're going to talk about this thesis statement. Let me give you the definition and then I'm going to cut you off and then I'll start the next video. What is a thesis statement according to Singing Eagle? Not what the book says, not what the internet says, but what Singing Eagle says. A thesis statement is a compact, meaningful, single sentence that contains all of the elements of your paper. It contains the focus of your essay, tells the reader what your writing is going to be about. Boom! That's it. So we're going to stop it right there, and I'm going to pick it up on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.